At SBA Canada, we're focused on small business. As a result, we know that size matters. This understanding permeates the way that we work to meet our small clients' needs. Historically, accounting firms were focused primarily on audit and assurance, and tax and compilation. However, changing demographics and market realities have upended the business models of the more than 33,000 firms that make up Canada's accounting services industry.
Industry Canada compiles data on Canadian industries using the North American Industry Classification System. Since the Small Business Analysts Society of Canada was formed to represent the interests of small business and the accountants that serve them, we thought that this was a great place to start when designing our vocational training tools. So we started by looking at data on the industry compiled by Statistics Canada from Canada's corporate and personal tax data. In 2022, 44.8% of the industry's $26 billion of revenue was earned by just 10 large firms. They averaged $1.165 billion in revenue. The remaining 55.2% was shared by the more than 33,000 remaining firms. Fully 99% of these smaller firms averaged just $241,000 in revenue.
While Statistics Canada collects data on 6 different service lines, just 4 types of revenue predominate. These include 1. Audit and assurance. 2. Taxation. 3. Compilation. 4. Management consulting. Auditing and management consulting services are far more commonly provided by larger firms. Compilation is an almost essential first step in the tax preparation process. What's more, it is overwhelmingly requested and required by our smallest businesses. These smaller businesses align very closely with the smaller firms described earlier. When you combine compilation and tax preparation, the result better reflects the way in which services are bundled. In other words, the vast majority of firms provide primarily tax and compilation services for the vast majority of businesses. More than 99% of Canada's businesses have fewer than 50 employees. These mostly outsource their accounting services to the 99% of accounting services firms, which bill on average about $241,000 per year.
At SBA Canada, it's clear to us that instead of designing learning and vocational programs for the businesses we actually serve, we are engaged in a kind of wishful thinking. Too many graduates have impossibly inflated views of their own abilities, and little or no opportunity to gain practical experience in the skills required to meet their clients' and employers' business needs.